racing yet. Just follow Mater into town.
It's he. Mater, coming, Sheriff. Howdy. Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun. Hey, you ever call tractor tipping? It's easy. You sneak up on her. Ready? Don't let drink catch you. Honk!
Incoming.
Whoa, I'm feeling a lot of love, man.
Probably just a bad spark plug, hippie.
Welcome to race day.
In Radiator Springs.
What do we need to be fast?
You need to look fast. Ka-chow! Ramon!
Hola! Ramon will finish you up, right? Looking good. Get linda. All right. Good luck, man.
Come on in, rookie. Shiny paint don't win a race. Now get out there.
Most glorious race of your life! Uno for the money, due for the show. Try to get ready and the quadro to go! Give it everything you've got! Like a real dirt house.
Incredible! Faster than the Queen.
I didn't say that.
I did. Faster than the Queen.
Great race, everybody.
You'll race all over the world.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Now listen. Your vehicle stops, please exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings and as long as you're in my town, have a great time.